We are live now. Please start the meeting.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I, Neerav Shah, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of the company, welcome you all to the 16th Annual General Meeting of the company. I hope all of you are safe and in good health. It is 3 p.m., and since the requisite members, including the authorized representatives of body corporate members, are present, it is time to commence the Annual General Meeting of the company. The annual general meeting is being held through video conferencing, other audiovisual means in accordance with the circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, the MCA, and the Securities and Exchange Board of India, the SEBI. Before we start the main proceedings of the annual general meeting, let me introduce you to the board of directors and other panelists attending the annual general meeting through video conferencing, other audiovisual means.
Yeah.
Mr. Hemal Mehta, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Sachin Mehta, Joint Managing Director and Chief Financial Officer, Dr. Umesh Luthra, Independent Director and Chairman of the Stakeholders Relationship Committee, Mrs. Jaya Singhania, Independent Director, Mr. Rishabh Patel, Independent Director and Chairman of the Audit Committee and Nomination and Remuneration Committee from Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and Dr. Anil Ghogre, Non-Executive Director from Tarapur, Maharashtra, India, have joined the annual general meeting through video conferencing and other audio-visual means. Mr. Twinkle Jain, partner of Mrs. NGST and Associates, statutory auditors, have joined the annual general meeting from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Mr. Vishal Manseta, scrutinizer and secretarial auditor, has joined the annual general meeting from Mumbai, Maharashtra. The members are requested to take note of the general instructions regarding participation in the annual general meeting. The members may note that the facility to attend the annual general meeting through video conferencing other audiovisual means is made available to at least 1000 members on a first come first serve basis in accordance with the circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The members may also note that participation of members through video conferencing other audiovisual means is been reckoned for the purpose of the quorum as per the circulars issued by the MCA under Section 103 of the Companies Act. As the annual general meeting has been held through video conferencing other audiovisual means, the facility to appoint a proxy to attend and cast vote for the members is not available for the annual general meeting. National Securities Depositories Limited will facilitate this session once the chairman opens the floor for questions and answers. The company has provided to all the members the facility to cast their votes electronically on all resolutions set forth in the notice. Members who have not voted through remote e-voting and who are present in the annual general meeting through video conferencing other audiovisual means shall be available to vote through e-voting available during the annual general meeting. Members may please note that there will be no voting by show of hands. I will now request Mr. Hemal Mehta, Chairman and Managing Director, to take over the proceedings of the annual general meeting. Thank you. Hemal sir.
Kindly unmute yourself. We cannot hear you.
Okay, sorry. Uh, Thank you, Mr. Neerav Shah. A very good afternoon to our esteemed shareholders, my colleagues on the board, and the distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I am Hemal Mehta, Chairman and Managing Director of your company. I welcome you all to the 16th Annual General Meeting of Sudarshan Pharma Industries Ltd. It's your company. We hope you and your family members are safe and in good health. The company has taken all feasible efforts to enable members to participate through video conferencing, audio visual means, and vote at the annual general meeting. I thank all the members, colleagues on the board, auditor, secretarial auditor, scrutinizer, and key managers for joining the annual general meeting. Mute kar. I shall begin by sharing key trends of the global pharmaceuticals industries. The volume of medicines anticipated to grow steadily at the average rate of 2.3% through 2028. India, China, and other Asian markets are in a position to lead this growth, also experiencing rapid expansion. Market growth over the next 5 years is expected to be driven by higher spending in regions such as the US, Europe, Africa, and key emerging markets. Newly introduced brand branded products, increased uptake of original medicine, and adoption of novel therapeutics will drive through. The chemical industries is undergoing a profound transformation driven by increasing environmental concern, stringent regulation, and a global shift towards sustainability. The specialty chemical sector, in particular, is experiencing robust growth. The growth is permanently fueled by raising demand in specialty chemicals, pharma intermediates, and active pharma ingredient sectors. Amid this evolving leadership, Sudarshan Pharma has strategically positioning itself to capitalize on this opportunity while maintaining our commitment to sustainability. Our focus on research and development, coupled with our expertise in complex chemistry, has allowed us to develop innovative products that meet the growing demand for environmentally friendly solutions. We are in the process of setting up DSIR approved R&D center and F&D center at the Central Hope Town, Dehradun, for formulation department in innovative molecules in oral dosage form, liquid form, injectables form. Once it is set up, R&D center will be fully equipped with modern machinery and lab equipment with scientists from top research school. We also propose to tie up with the world's top research institutes and universities. The company has already entered into an association with Amity University for new molecules R&D of the company. In recognition of the company's effort, the company was honored with Amity Shield and Arrivat Memento by Dr. William Selvamurthy and Dr. Tiku Basu, Director of Amity University, which is reflected in the annual report of the company. The company has already entered into the association with Amity University in last year. The company has entered into loan and license agreement with 10 entities, which helps the company to reduce its cost of production. In addition to Ratna Life Science Private Limited, the company now has added through new subsidiary, namely Life Science Chemicals Private Limited and Sudarshan Pharma Life Science Limited. Ratna Life Science Private Limited become a wholly owned subsidiary of your company in November 2023. This acquisition helped the company to foray into oncology products with an already set up manufacturing facility, with option to expand further by acquisition of oncology API plant nearby the plant, existing plant. It will enable to multiply the plant capacity and increase the annual turnover by 10 times than the existing capacity. We have remained Stanford in our commitment to R&D and innovation, which will continues to be a strategic priority with significant investment directed towards the development of our company into the injection formulations Our robust new products in pipeline included several first to make in market products, put us in a powerful position for our future growth. During the financial year, net give. Yeah, Devangi, hello.
Sir.
Okay, okay. May I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
perfect.
sir, you are.
We have reimbursed Stanford in our commitment to R&D and innovation, which will continue to be a strategic priority with significant investment directed towards developing complex product in the inhalation and injectable space. Our robust new product pipeline, including several first-to-market products, puts us in a powerful position for our future growth. During the financial year, the company had worked on the product received under PLI scheme as Atmanirbhar Bharat project and made the following breakthroughs. The number one breakthroughs, development of the molecule vitamin B6 from base route till the finished for products, and also successful manufactured all the intermediary products which are required to manufacture the finished API products of vitamin B6. The second one, development of the molecule vitamin B1 from base route till the finished product, and also successfully manufacturing intermediary products which are required to manufacture the finished API products of vitamin B1. We are in the presence last year we are in the process to develop new molecule in specialty chemical and pharma intermediates that will help the company to reduce import dependency from China, Japan, Korea, Thailand and other countries by nearly 5% annually out of 80% import dependency of India. So we all know that India have 80% import dependency for API manufacturing. So our company work on it and try to be approx 5% out of 80% that we will become a manufacturer, and we also try to export to China and another country. So as a economy in India, we will increase. The fourth one, development of the loading dose for first aid of heart attack in cardiac segment, which gives a big advantages to the company, to our company. By this, our company start its presence in cure of chronic diseases. Reflecting on our progress, we are committed to continue to build on the momentum over the coming year. Our strong foothold in key regions and therapeutic areas, as well as sharp focus on our delivery, will be key levers while executing on our strategic vision to achieve sustainable growth. Fourth, more China plus one strategy implemented by India has prompted manufacturers to decentralize their supply chain away from China and presented a global opportunity for the established Indian chemical intermediate firms to have a chance to demonstrate their capability on the global strength. The war in Ukraine has put European chemical industries into panic. Factories close and disputed supply chain have prompted manufacturers to shift their production base to elsewhere. In this terminology, Indian standards a step ahead of other countries because of reduced capital and operational costs. Our company provide affordable and quality pharmaceutical products as we are an established upward integration growth company, as we are from the specialty chemicals to intermediates to API and the finished formulation. So our company 100% give the affordable medicine or affordable products with the quality and sustainability. So, furthermore, the company will continue to strive in its efforts to develop new line of product based on its capability and also through new business association. We continues to prioritize sustainable compliance across all our manufacturing unit, further reinforcing our position as a trusted partner. As we embark on the next chapter of our journey, we remain committed to growth, quality, operational excellence, and innovations. We aspire to evolve Sudarshan as a trusted partner for innovation and affordable products in the year ahead. We are grateful for your never-ending support and trust. We are at the forefront of developing eco-friendly offerings, actively exploring new markets for expansion, enhancing operational efficiency, prioritization, customer satisfaction, and maintaining a robust financial position. By capitalization on these key aspects, we are confident in our ability to deliver sustainable growth and space a brighter future for all our stakeholders. We are committed to benefit out of the learnings and adopt it in its new initiatives as we forge ahead. We are aware that our journey is not solely fueled by our objectives, but is anchored in an unwavering dedication to upholding our environmental, social, and ethical responsibility. We integrate this principle into every aspect of our business, creating a virtuous cycle that benefit not only our shareholder but also society at large. Now, I would request Mr. Sachin Mehta, Joint Managing Director and Chief Financial Officer, to share his thoughts about the company.
Thank you, Mr. Hemal Mehta. Last year, our company embarked on a new journey by going public and getting listed on SME platform of BSE Limited. After the resignation of Mr. Dharam Jilka as the Chief Finance Officer with effect from 15 September 2023 due to his other commitments and preoccupations, I decided to take up the added responsibility to be the Chief Financial Officer of the company. Sudarshan Pharma growth over the last 10 years would not have been possible without the company's dedicated workforce. Our employees are not just stakeholders, but our most valuable assets. Despite facing tough and challenging conditions, they have consistently contributed significantly to our progress. We shall continue to ensure that our human resources management system and policies keep pace with these expansions. Our endeavor is to treat all our employees in a fair and equitable manner. Would like to add, our team is working on to open Sudarshan Pharma wings in international market with continents of Europe, UK, Africa, Asia, and USA. Thanks to the untiring efforts of the Sudarshan team, the company's performance may be summarized in following. 1. EBITDA of the company rose from rupees 1,580.56 lakhs to rupees 2,541.73 lakhs, increase of approximate 61%. PAT of the company rose from rupees 703.67 lakhs to rupees 1,145.53 lakhs, increase of approximate 63%. Net worth of the company rose from rupees 10,097.33 lakhs to rupees 11,170.67 lakhs, increase of approximate 11%. The cost of materials consumed increased from rupees 32.27 lakh to rupees 631.36 lakhs, increased by more than 18 times. The purchase of stock in trade come down from rupees 45 lakh 724 89 lakhs to rupees 49,404.06 lakhs, decrease of approximate 7%. Significantly, the shift in company's operation from trading activity to manufacturing activities. I would now request Mr. Chairman, Mr. Hemal Mehta, to proceed with the formal agenda of the meeting as set forth in the notice.
Thank you, Sachin Mehta. I hope you all must have gone through the annual report circulated to the members of the company by way of email on 5th September 2024 to their registered email address as per the circular issued by Minister of Corporate Affairs and SEBI. The chairman's message and notice convening the 16th annual general meeting forming part of the annual report shall be taken as read. Messrs of NGST and Associate Statutory Auditors and Mr. Vishal Mansenta, Secretarial Auditors, have expressed an unqualified option in their respective audit reports for the financial year 2023 and 2024. Therefore, we shall take the independent director's report and secretarial auditor report as read. Pursuant to provisions of Section 108 of the Companies Act 2013 and Rule 20 of the Companies Management and Administration Rule 2014, the company has provided its members the facility to exercise their right to vote at the annual general meeting by electronic means. Therefore, we will not have voting by show of hands on any of the resolution. Please note that those who have experienced their vote during the remote e-voting will not be eligible to vote at the annual general meeting. Mr. Vishal Mansenta, practicing company secretary, has been appointed as the scrutinizer to supervise the e-voting process. The result of e-voting will be announced by intimation to BSE Limited within 2 working days from conclusion of this meeting. It will also be uploaded on the company's website www.sudarshanpharma.com along with the scrutinizer report. I take it that you have read the financial statements for the financial year ended 31st March 2024, standalone as well as consolidated. Now I shall proceed with the formal agenda of the meeting as set forth in the notice. Item number 1 of the notice, adoption of financial statements. The financial statements of the company, including consolidated financial statements for the financial year ended 31st March 2024, including the reports of Board of Directors and annual, have already been provided to the members. Item number 2 of the notice, to appoint a director in place of Dr. Anil Gogre, who retire by rotation and being eligible affords himself for reappointment. Item number 3 of the notice, to approve entering into and carrying out and or continuing with contractors arrangements and transaction with the mentioned related parties of the company. Item number 4 of the notice, to give any loan to any person or other body corporate, give any guarantee or provide any security in connection with a loan to any other body, corporates or person and acquire by way of subscription, purchase, or otherwise the security of any other body corporates not exceeding a sum of rupees 500 crores only. Members may note that the voting on the NSDL platform will continue to be available for the next 15 days, 15 minutes. My mistake. Members may note that the voting on the NSDL platform will continue to be available for the next 15 minutes. Therefore, members who have not yet cast their vote are requested to do so. Your support to us as a shareholder is of vital importance, and we hope that you will continue to respond your confidence in us in the future. I would now like to thank the member for attending the annual general meeting of the company and declare the meeting as closed. Kindly check the website of the company for the result on the e-voting. Handley, thank you very much to all my colleagues, all my supporters, and all my stakeholders. So, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Vikrant.
As the meeting
Thank you,
concluded, can we
everyone.
stop?
Thank
Yes,
you.
we can close the meeting now.